In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Metafields to your products in Shopify. To begin, navigate to the left-hand panel of your Shopify dashboard and click on Products. This section contains all of the products in your store and is where you'll manage and update product information. Once you're in the Products section, browse through your product list and select the product you want to add Metafields to. Click on the product to open its details page and access its settings. After opening the product details page, locate the category drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and choose the correct category for your product. Selecting the right category is important because Shopify uses it to determine which category-specific metafields are available for that product. Once you've selected the appropriate category, scroll down toward the bottom of the product page. Here you'll find the category Metafields section. This area allows you to add additional information and attributes to your product. You can either choose from the available category metafields or create new ones, depending on the options presented for the selected category. Review the available fields and enter the relevant information for your product. Continue filling out the metafields that apply to the item you are working on. After you've added the necessary metafield information, continue reviewing the product page to ensure everything is entered correctly. If you need to add more category-specific details, you can do so within the same Metafields section before moving on. Next, connect the metafields to your product variants list. This step links the metafields to the variants associated with your product. If your product includes multiple options, such as different sizes, colors, or models, make sure the appropriate metafield information is connected to the correct variants. Review the variants and verify that each one is linked properly. This helps ensure the correct information is associated with each available product option. Once you've completed the Metafield setup and connected everything to the variants list, go through the product details one final time. Confirm that the category is correct, the metafields contain the information you want to display, and the variant connections are accurate. After reviewing your changes, save the product to apply the updates. That's all there is to it. By selecting the correct category, adding category metafields, and connecting them to your product variants, you can successfully add metafields to your products in Shopify. Following these steps allows you to include additional product information directly within your product setup and keep everything organized inside your store. Thank you for watching.